A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe. Masora say, Masquera say. So, a new development. This is a letter which is right here onto the screen, which was stamped on the 16th of October 2023 by the Parliament of Zimbabwe, and it was addressed to the Speaker. So, this is from ZANU-PF headquarters, and it's a letter which is recalling. And they're saying notification and declaration of members of the National Assembly elected under Zimbabwe African National Union Patriotic Front, ZANU-PF, and they have ceased to be members of the Zimbabwe African National Union Patriotic Front, ZANU-PF. And they are saying, kindly be advised that the following members of the National Assembly were elected under the Zimbabwe African National Union Patriotic Front, ZANU-PF, political party, and have ceased to be members of the Zimbabwe African National Union Patriotic Front. And these are Ngonenzashe Mdekunye, Barbara Rodzi, Davison Mashishi. So there are lots. We have Madron Matiza, Flora Buka, Nyevera Jona, Julai Moyo, Joseph Mpasi, Kenneth Shupika Msani, Dzidzai Batao, Enrunkani, Evangelis Peter Aritatus, Farai Jerry, Kot Zevezai, Winston Chitando, Ona Mbofana Taedzo, Traimo Kanupula, Tongai Mafidi Mnangagwa, Sunungukai Martin Matinyanya, Lincoln Liwayo, Wilson Maposa, Farai Wouta Mapfumo, Joseph Muwombi, Albert Nyakuyedzo, Jenfan Mswere, Nyasha Marange, Douglas Tendai Mombeshora, Chamunora Chiwanza, Polite Kambamura, Siyaki Mundunge Hama, Roy Bill, Stembiso Jinyoni, Owen Ngube, Tawanda Karikoga, Paul Mavima, Tasara Ungwe, Tafana Najo, Musa Ngube, Richard Moyo, Albert Nguluve, Fisani Moyo, Tarisai Tarwinga, Farai Tarwinga, Space Tole, Edgar Moyo, Levi Maihlome, Godwin Tabaziva, Benjamin Muskowe Shiri, Judith Nkwanda Ngube, Nyasha Eunice Grace Chikwinya, Messi Mugomo, Gertrude Mtandi, Patricia Kuhlande, Unifencia Amanda Chakukura, Elizabeth Mashongetsa, Abigail Gava, Nomsa Chaimvura, Ruth Chari, Alinia Samson, Faith Mkaza, Adiona Rutendo Mpofu, Stanley Sakupkanya, Emerson Paradza, Tawanda Titus Mudo, David Kudakwashe Mnangagwa, na Lady Rinda Rose Maunganize, Tinashe Tafadzwa Mshipe, Mtsawashe Kauzi Yambi, Dorothy Mashonganyika, Elizabeth Shongedza Tsitsigezi. These are 70 people. And he says, kindly proceed in terms of the relevant provisions of the Constitution of Zimbabwe relating to members who have ceased to be members of political party which they were elected under. And this is Tafadzwa Manyika, Interim Secretary General of ZANU-PF. So this is what is happening. But I have seen a lot of people responding saying, ZANU-PF Tinema structures are known, ZANU-PF we have a non-secretary general and everything else. But the same people have disregarded Triple C's president letter, which he wrote directly to the speaker. He is the leader of the Triple C. He wrote to the speaker and said, reverse these bogus recalls. They were not affected by our party, which means there is no need for a court. This is just an announcement which was made using an unverified instrument, which means the speaker was supposed to just reverse those announcements and let these MPs attend parliament and continue with business. But they were removed from parliament. We have seen also the senators being recalled as well by the president of the Senate clearly indicated that she didn't care about the authenticity of these letters. And that precedence in its own created this vacuum. Zimbabwe is heading to a crisis. If these things are not taken with normal thinking, if action is not taken by the speaker and the president of Zimbabwe, President Emerson Mnangagwa, to deal with this mess, you are going to see Zimbabwe escalating in an unending chaos. Those are very. But who is to suffer? We wait to see. And the question is Mudenda going to ignore this? Because when they executed the Triple C recalls, they said, we do not care about anything else. We do not care about the authenticity of these letters. We care about what is on our table. How are they going to justify failure to act onto these letters if they are to fail? So it's a very interesting moment, Team Zimbabwe. We wait to see on the next sitting what the speaker is going to say. But this is the 17th. I think the sitting was there today. And I do not know if the speaker managed to deal with this issue, because this was filed yesterday on the 16th of October 2023. That is the stamp there. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. It's a moment of madness. We continue to watch and see what is going to happen next.